Have you tried everything you can think of to heal your joint pain? If so, then I know exactly how you feel. There's nothing more annoying than the never-ending joint pain, and the frustration of not knowing how to fix it yourself. When faced with joints problems, most people jump online and spend hours hunting around on Google and YouTube to try and find a solution. The big problem with this approach is that every joint problem is different. And if you can't find a solution that relates to your exact situation, any advice you do find is next to useless. You end up feeling confused and overwhelmed by all the joint curing tips you just don't understand. What you really need is easy and convenience proven to work joint cure product that developed by authority scientists which can heal the root cause of your joints pain, and restore your joint cartilage to get you back your life. That's why today, we're thrilled to announce our brand new JointGood product. We've been developing, testing, and perfecting JointGood for over the last 2 years. We cooperate with the Germany scientists to develop this high-potency joint curing product to help you to restore your joints. And our new JointGood will give you something to feel excited about. Here's how it works. JointGood is made primarily of scientifically enhanced bioactive collagen peptides, which can stimulate the growth of new joint cartilage. Cartilage is responsible for joint cushioning and promotes smoother movement of the joints. It is an effective supplement that promotes joint mobility, cartilage, stable bones, healthy muscles, strong ligaments and tendons, smooth skin, glossy hair and healthy fingernails. JointGood has extremely low molecular protein peptides, approximately 3,000 Daltons. It is easily digested and absorbed intestinally into your body. According to clinical studies on bioactive collagen peptides, taking JointGood regularly can help you to reduce joint stiffness, swollen joint, promote flexibility and relieve joint pain. It has been tested and proven to stimulate the regeneration of cartilage tissues that have been damaged by the wear and tear of friction, aging and daily stress on the joints. If you have sore or stiff joints, clicking and cracking sound when a joint bends, swelling around the joints, pain that becomes worse after activity, limited or difficult movement on joints, grating or scraping sensation occurs when moving joints, pain and tenderness is felt in the joint. If so, the JointGood is right for you. And best of all, because the JointGood is working on your joints 24/7, it can usually give you a stunning result in less than 3 months. And it just costs less than a cup of coffee a day. Your wallet and your body will thank you for making a healthy change for the better. Click the link below and let's get started.